Hey everyone, welcome to our Easy English Conversation Zone. Today I'm sharing real English sentences used in daily work life in Europe. If you want to speak naturally and confidently, this video is for you. Lesson 10. Let's get started. I start my day with motivation. Motivation gives me energy. I remind myself why I am working. My goals keep me strong. I focus on becoming better. Improvement is my daily target. I stay patient with my progress. Patience brings success. I believe good days are coming. Positive thinking helps me move forward. I respect my workplace. Respect makes my workplace peaceful. I respect everyone equally. Everyone deserves kindness. I keep my behavior professional. Professional behavior builds reputation. I avoid bad habits at work. Bad habits slow my growth. I stay away from negative conversations. Negativity hurts progress. I keep myself updated about my job. Updated knowledge makes me confident. I learn new skills whenever possible. Skills create opportunities. I take responsibility for my actions. Responsibility shows maturity. I finish my tasks with care. Careful work gives better results. I do not rush important tasks. Rushing creates errors. I try to be helpful to my team. Teamwork brings success faster. I communicate in a friendly way. Friendly communication builds trust. I explain things clearly. Clear explanations avoid confusion. I listen carefully to instructions. Careful listening saves time. I repeat instructions if needed. Repeating helps me memorize them. I complete my tasks step by step. Step by step work looks clean. I focus on quality work. Quality work makes me proud. I avoid arguing with others. Arguments waste time. I try to stay peaceful. Peaceful people make better decisions. I handle stress carefully. Stress handling is an important skill. I try to keep a friendly mood. Friendly mood inspires others. I stay polite in every situation. Politeness shows strength. I avoid talking when angry. Silent moments prevent problems. I express my thoughts calmly. Calm words are powerful. I choose my words wisely. Wise words build respect. I respect time. Time is valuable. I don't waste time on small issues. I focus on solutions instead. I take breaks when needed. Breaks refresh my mind. I return to work with new energy. Energy helps me finish tasks faster. I try to finish all tasks on time. On time work creates trust. I organize my desk every day. Organized space helps me think clearly. I keep my files in the right place. Proper filing saves time. I maintain good hygiene. Hygiene shows self-respect. I wash my hands often. Clean habits protect my health. I wear clean clothes to work. Clean appearance looks professional. I stay confident no matter what. Confidence makes my English better. I practice speaking daily. Daily practice improves fluency. I learn Deutsch 3 new words every day. New words help me communicate well. I try to speak naturally. Natural speech sounds better. I watch English videos to learn. Videos teach real-life English. I read small English sentences daily. Reading improves my vocabulary. I listen to English audio when free. Audio helps my listening skills. I repeat sentences to make them perfect. Repetition builds strong memory. I believe I can speak English confidently. I am improving every day. I am building a better future for myself.